Hello guys, today we will present 7 principles of lean by 4 of us who's Ertuğrul, Ekin, Kemal and Altu. In our team, Ertuğrul is Scrum Master, Ekin is Product Owner and rest Altu and me are developers of the project. Here you can see 7 principles with the figure that starting by eliminating the waste. Here as it's shown, I will start with the eliminating waste. Waste can take many forms in knowledge work, such as partially done work, delays, handoffs, unnecessary features, and more. Identifying and removing waste is crucial and to increasing the value of projects. Examples of waste reduction include streamlining supply chains, reducing unnecessary features in the software development, and implementing visual management systems to improve communication and reduce handoffs. Best practices for identifying and eliminating waste include using the 5S methodology, continuously monitoring and evaluating processes and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Here, as you can see, there is an eliminating waste flowchart. We will start by identifying unfinished work, which can be in a software development project. Unfinished work could refer to incomplete code modules or unaddressed bugs. Then it follows with identifying delays. Like in a production development process, delays might occur if there are bottlenecks in the prototyping or testing phases. Then it follows with identifying unnecessary features. In a mobile application development project, unnecessary features could be functionalities that are rarely used or not aligned with the target audience's needs. Then it continues with identify excessive handoffs. In a customer support process, excessive handoffs could result from frequent transfers between agents, causing delays and potential miscommunication. And then after that, determining if each is waste is continued by. If there is a waste, it goes to remove waste, then goes back to the determining if each is waste. If there is no waste, remove unnecessary features. Removing waste, taking action to address and eliminate the identified waste, such as resolving unfinished work promptly. And also, by doing these, minimizing waste and optimizing their knowledge work to maximize project is a great side of that. Now, Ekim will continue with the second principle.
Thank you, Kemal, for leaving me the stage. I will move on with the second, third, and fourth principle, which are empower the team, deliver fast, and optimize the whole, respectively. Let's begin with the second principle, empower the team. The best lean manufacturing companies understand the employees play a large role in making decisions for the company's success. To empower the team stands for encouraging them to solve problems for themselves. The principle embraces the idea of engagement and involvement of every member of the team in the processes. The main objective is to create an environment that encourages trust, communication, respect, and much more. Move on to principle 3, deliver fast. It focuses on reducing lead times, delivery times, and delivering value to customers as quickly as possible. The main objective for applying this principle is to maximizing the ROI, return on investment. It happens by finding ways to eliminate waste, optimize processes. As you can notice, all principles are related with each other. Lastly, the fourth principle, optimize the whole, also known as system thinking. It emphasizes the idea of seeing the big picture rather than focusing solely on individual processes. It is considering the entire project throughout to end-to-end process. This end-to-end process is also called the value stream. So optimize the whole is considering as the entire value stream. Now I would like to hand Ertuğrul over to talk about the remaining principles.
Thank you, Ekin. First of all, my name is Artur Parlar and I am Scrum Master of our team. I will talk about fifth and sixth principles, which are build quality in and differ decisions. I have 3 key points for build quality in. Quality should be built into the development process, not an afterthought. Continuous assurance of quality throughout the development cycle and use techniques like refactoring, continuous integration, and unit testing to ensure quality. And I have 3 examples for you to understand build quality in principle. First example is conducting code reviews to ensure adherence to coding standards, implementing automated testing to catch defects early in development cycle. And the third one is using continuous integration to ensure changes are integrated smoothly. And I think it will be better if you talk about the best practices of build quality in. First one is establish clear quality standards and metrics. And the most important is build quality into the development process from the start. Let's continue with the sixth principle, which is defer decisions. I have 2 main points. Balance early planning with making decisions and commitments as late as possible. And the second one is avoid being tied to an early technology-bound solution that may not be the best fit for the project. And I have 2 examples for you to understand defer decision principle. Implementing a just-in-time delivery system to avoid committing to a specific set of features too early. And second one is making decisions based on current data and feedback rather than scenarios or assumptions. And I think it will be better if you talk about the best practices of defer decisions. Encourage open communication and collaboration among team members and stakeholders to facilitate decision making. And the last one is avoid making commitments too early, but also avoid analysis paralysis by making decisions in timely manner. And Altu will continue with the principle 7.
Thank you, Ertuğrul. Amplify Learning is creating and retaining knowledge in the process, which is essential for maximizing customer value delivery. Lean development teams focus on creating an environment of knowledge sharing. They also avoid costly e-learning and building the wrong features by gathering and testing new ideas frequently. Some ways to amplify learnings are using feedback loops and experimentation to validate assumptions and learn from failures. Implementing continuous integration and delivery ensures the software's quality and reliability. Encouraging collaboration and communication among team members and stakeholders. Providing training and coaching opportunities for skill development and knowledge transfer. In this presentation, we have explored the 7 principles of lean development and how they can help us create better products and service for our customers. By applying these principles, we can optimize our value stream, reduce cost and risk, and improve quality and customer satisfaction. I hope you have learned something new and useful today. Thank you for your attention and participation.